Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Preeti Baby. You have already done a great job by learning all the parts of the present tense. And today we are going to introduce past tense and we will learn the first part of the past tense, which is past simple tense or simple past tense. So without any further delay, let's begin today's video. Understanding all the parts of the tenses will help you enhance both your written and spoken communication skills. So if you haven't watched the previous lessons, make sure you go to my channel and you will find the previous lessons in the playlist. So make sure to watch them and learn them properly. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon button. Hit the like button and share the videos with your friends. Now let's begin today's video. Past simple tense is used to describe an action that has already happened, something you did in the past. Here we emphasize on a finished action, so something that started in the past and has already finished in the past. Now let's understand the rule to form this tense. And it's quite simple. We form this tense by using the past form of the verb, which is actually the second form of the verb. Let's have a look at a few examples. Sachin played a game. She watched a movie. He exercised for 2 hours. Here we just added d or ed to the root form of the verb. Forming the past tense for regular verbs is quite easy. As I said that you just have to add d or ed to the base form of the verb. But there are many irregular verbs. For example, he ate the food. So ate is the past form of eat. So there are many irregular verbs which we have to memorize. We cannot add d or ed to their base form and we have to memorize. Let's have a look at a few examples for irregular verbs. She wrote a letter. He bought pizza. She sent me a book. You went there. So these were just a few examples for irregular verbs. Now let's move on to understand where all we can use the past simple tense. We use this tense to talk about something that happened in the recent past. For example, I visited my parents yesterday. We use this tense to talk about a distant past, something which happened a long time ago. For example, I lived in Australia a long time ago. We also use this tense with time expressions. For example, we watched a movie last week. So here we used a time expression last week. We also use this tense without any time expression. For example, she cooked dinner. He walked my dog. So here we are not telling any time. We can also use this tense to talk about one action like he called his manager. So only one action happened here. Also, we can use this tense to talk about many actions happened at the same time. For example, we visited our friends, we watched the movie and ordered pizza for the dinner. So here, multiple actions happened at the same time. So I'm sure that you have understood whatever we have learned till now. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I will definitely answer all your questions. Now let's move on to understand how to form the negative and interrogative sentences for this tense. For this, we will take one verb. For example, we are taking the word clean. Clean is a verb, okay? And now we will understand how it works in positive, negative and interrogative sentences. So, for positive, we will use just the word cleaned. As I said in the beginning, we will only add ed to the base form of the verb. So, it becomes cleaned. And the subject here is I, you, we, they, he, she, it. For all of them, it remains the same. I cleaned, you cleaned, we cleaned, they cleaned, he, she, it cleaned. So, it's quite simple. Similarly, when we move to the negative sentences, we only need to add did not. Okay, the subject remains the same and we just add the words did not. In fact, we add the contracted form of did not, which is didn't. I didn't clean. You didn't clean. We didn't clean. So moving on to the interrogative or the questions for this tense, we will add did in the beginning, that is before the subject. So we say, did I clean? Did you clean? Did we clean? Did they clean? So it's quite simple to form the questions as well. In fact, forming WH questions is also quite simple. You only need to add where, why, when at the beginning before did. For example, where did I clean? Why did I clean? When did I clean? Also, make sure that you use the base form of the verb with every question in this tense, because we never use the second or third form of the verb with the word did. So I hope that you have learned this lesson properly. You can replay the video as many times as you want to understand it better. Don't forget to share it with your friends as well. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.